From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for joining us here on CNET. I'm Ryan Breton from the Campus Weather Service. A very sunny, warm, humid, and overall a summer-like day here in central PA. Take a look from the weather stem camera looking over Beaver Stadium. A few towering cumulus clouds, and a few of those have grown tall enough, especially to our south, to bring a brief shower or passing downpour to some places. Not much of that in our area, though. If you have plans this evening, it's going to be a very warm and humid evening, that's for sure, with temperatures in the 70s all the way through 9 or 10 o'clock, and then overnight tonight we'll find low temperatures slowly falling down through the 60s. Right now, statewide, very warm, especially for this time of the year. 85 in Williamsport, 83 in Johnstown, 87 in Pittsburgh. The dew point, or a measure of the amount of moisture in the air, is quite high throughout most of the state, in the 60s in most places right now, and over the next few days, that's really not going to change. We are going to remain uncomfortable in terms of humidity today, tonight, all the way through much of the rest of the week. It's really by Friday into Saturday that we may start to feel a bit better in terms of the humidity. That's because this area of high pressure off to our west is the main weather feature this week. A westerly wind for the next few days will bring in the warmth and humidity. And then as we head into the weekend, we may see some changes, but overall, this is a very warm pattern for us here in central PA. Take a look at Futurecast starting with tomorrow morning. There may be some low clouds and patchy fog in a few areas, but otherwise, tomorrow is a mostly sunny, hot, and humid day for many of us, with high temperatures climbing into the mid and upper 80s once again. On Wednesday, there's a chance of an isolated or pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon, but I actually think that many areas will stay dry during the day on Wednesday. A check of the tropics. Erica has gone by the boards, but now we are watching Fred out here, way out here by the Cape Verde Islands. This is really not a place that we look for a hurricane to be. Instead, this is where we look for tropical waves to come off Africa. But right now, Fred is a Category 1 hurricane, winds to 85 miles per hour. But over the next few days, Fred is not expected to impact any other land masses, instead moving into the open Atlantic and weakening with time. Back here at home in Pennsylvania, again, a mild, muggy night tonight with low temperatures in the 60s in most places. Again, there could be some patchy fog, especially in the valleys overnight tonight. Tomorrow, another hot and humid day. No two ways about it. Temperatures in the 80s to even low 90s. Check this out. 92 in Williamsport for high temperature tomorrow, even as high as 94 in Philly tomorrow afternoon. Definitely hot and humid. That again because the jet stream is lifted to the north. That will remain the case all week with the warmth and humidity all the way through our 7-day forecast. Take a look. Again, a hot, humid day tomorrow. Upper 80s, a few places around 90. A chance of a thunderstorm both Wednesday afternoon and Friday afternoon. If I had to pick either day, it would probably be Wednesday here in central PA. Then we'll turn briefly less humid on Saturday with temperatures perhaps cooling down into the upper 70s, and then we may go right back up into the 80s for Sunday and into Labor Day, which is next Monday. That is my latest forecast for right now. I hope you have a great night and stay cool out there.